Hi, I'm Tony, the designer at Bespoke Carpentry in London. I'm in a house in Barnes, and this client approached us because she wanted help with having like a hallway storage unit to fit her shoes, coats and bags, and extra storage at the top for like winter jackets and things like that. So we're going to create like a bench here, and then inside the bench she wants to store her hide shoes, and then here we're going to have a floor to ceiling cupboard space where she can put her coats, her bags, and then also up here like an open lid to put winter clothes that she wants to store away. So this is going to be made with medium density fibre and hand painted, and we're going to have shaker style doors.